Hello viewers, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world at this time. Welcome to my technological world. We have another sensational news for you regarding Samsung Galaxy S10. Everything about its release date, its price, its news and leaks, everything. And they say in the news that the Galaxy S10 flagship could be a big change. Let's have a look. A new leak details the possible specs of the Samsung Galaxy S10's rumored triple-lens camera. Plus, Samsung itself has struggled that the S10 won't have a notch. The Samsung Galaxy S10 has the potential to be the most exciting phone of 2019, as after the incremental upgrade that was the Samsung Galaxy S9, the South Korean firm is poised for the major overhaul. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus are strong but not 5-star strong, and we are going to need to see some big change for the brand to stay on the top, especially in the face of fierce competition from the likes of Apple and Huawei. Well, we have to admit that we don't know much about the Samsung Galaxy S10 yet, but we are starting to hear a number of rumors, all of which you will find in this video. We'll also find a wish list of the main things we want from this phone, including an in-screen fingerprint scanner and a fresh design. Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 release date and price. Well, the Samsung Galaxy S10 launch date is likely to be in early 2019. More specifically, we'll probably see it at MWC 2019, which take place from February 25th to 28th. Not only does a leaker claim we'll see it then, but Samsung announced the Galaxy S9 range at MWC 2018, so 2019 show is the most likely release date. Samsung doesn't always announce its Galaxy S flagship there, but recent models have all been announced in the first few months of the year. So we'd be surprised if we don't see the Samsung Galaxy S10 by the end of the March 2019. Regarding the Samsung Galaxy S10 design and display, the hottest leak says that there will be 3 different screen sizes, a bezel-free design, and a 19 by 9 aspect ratio and 1440 by 3040 resolution. According to the Samsung's mobile business chief named DJ Ko, I hope I pronounce the name well, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will have some very significant design changed and come in some amazing colors. He didn't get more specific than that, but a benchmark for a mystery Samsung phone, which could be the S10 points to a 19 by 9 aspect ratio, which would make it taller than the 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio, which was for Galaxy S9. A hottest rumor and leak says regarding Samsung Galaxy S10 camera that it will be a triple lens rear camera on the top end model, 12 megapixel, 13 megapixel and 16 megapixel lenses, a dual lens front facing camera. Analyst says Samsung is considering a triple lens camera for the Samsung Galaxy S10 along with a 3D sensor for augmented reality content. Wow, that will be great. Now let's talk about what we would like to see in the new Samsung Galaxy S10, or what people would like to see. As good as the Samsung Galaxy S9 is, it's also rather too similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8. So we hope Samsung changes things up for the S10. And first thing first, regarding the design, the Samsung Galaxy S9 looks almost identical to the Galaxy S8. So it's high time we got a new design from the South Korean company. Whether that means a notch, a new material, or even a foldable phone, we leave that to Samsung. But we want to see something new. Secondly, we would like to see dual or triple lens camera on both models. While the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has a dual lens camera, the standard Galaxy S9 only has a single lens one. For the Galaxy S10, we would like to see both models to have 2 lenses, or better, it should be 3. After all, the Huawei P20 Pro has landed with exactly that, the stunning effect. Samsung's been delivering top-notch smartphone cameras for a while now, but this year it has some real competition from Huawei, of course. So for the Galaxy S10, we would like to see it take step to get ahead. The good news is that a triple lens camera has already been rumored regarding Samsung Galaxy S10, though it sounds like only the priciest model will get it. Third, it should be an in-screen fingerprint scanner. Well, in-screen fingerprint scanner have been already leaked for various Samsung phones, and the Galaxy S10 is no exception. But now that the companies have launched commercially available handsets with them, we might finally see Samsung roll one out. Plus, it looks that the high tech enough to make owners of the phones jealous. Of course, it will be. Fourth, people would like to see that it should take more vibrant photos and improved AR emoji. AR emoji were one of the more hyped feature of the Samsung Galaxy S9 range, but they were also one of the least impressive aspects of these phones. Sixth, people would like to see the better battery life, of course, because battery life is one thing that doesn't improve with each new phone generation. In fact, sometimes it gets worse. And seventh, a totally bezel-less look. So we have said already that we want a new design from the Galaxy S10. So these are the few things we have gathered from the news and rumors and leaks. So tell us in the comments below that what you think that the new Samsung flagship will be, and what you would like to see it and how you would like to see it. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing, so we will release this kind of videos, and you will be notified with the pressing of the bell icon. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.